Guys, it's Dr. Knetzer at South Hills Physical Medicine again. So for this Friday, I wanted to talk about stress and anxiety primarily. A lot of the things that have been trending on our website and people have been asking for, and just we're seeing that the activity seems to be most for stress, anxiety, and obesity. So one of the biggest things that we're always going to take a peek at is obviously our caloric intake. What are we taking in? What is the quality of what we're taking in? And one of the biggest things that I think people definitely are not aware of, we may have hinted on in prior videos, is the fact of adrenal fatigue and cortisol production. So we have this thing in our body that is called cortisol. And when we have stresses in our body in the short term, the response of this hormone is to be released, okay? But if its sustained release occurs, then we get things like reduced immunity, we get truncal obesity, we get general fatigue, and I think these are a lot of the symptoms that people are coming in and inquiring about. So that kind of leads us back to a little bit of the NuLean that we had kind of spoke about last week, or I think the prior week. So NuLean, the idea behind it is that we're taking pretty much the cleanest nutrients that we can possibly get in our body, along with some other all-natural things like plant extracts that help cleanse the liver and kidneys and kind of helps give our body a baseline. We're also removing things like caffeine and any alcohol consumption. And the way we're offering it is we're offering it, again, in a 7-day package where you can just kind of grab and go. There's instructions that are pretty decent, and you'll see immediate benefits. Or if you're the type of person that needs a little bit more, you're concerned a little bit more with weight, not just detoxing, we're offering a 28-day program that you'll go through 2 of the 7-day cycles, and you'll be detoxing for essentially 14 days. And then it transitions you in the next 14 days and gives you a realistic way to learn how to eat proper nutrients and incorporate it into your everyday life. And with that 28 days, what we're also offering is weekly weigh-ins and measurements and nutritional counseling. So when it comes to these things, if you feel like you're at work and you're just top of your shoulders are constantly burning and you feel like you're having excessive belly fat, even though you're reducing your caloric intake, and even if you're exercising, oftentimes you have to do something like a NuLean tox. You got to get the toxins out of you. Okay, so detox is a really good idea. So if you guys have any questions on it, just reach out to us. You can call us shortly. We offer free consultations for anybody. So if you need to, just give us a ring. Okay, have a nice weekend and Merry Christmas.